I'm missing bolts for the fucking supercharger. I told you. The bolts they bolt the cooling thing on. I don't have it. We gotta figure out how we're gonna fucking do that. That's just fantastic.
Camera, man. I heard this fucking somebody sent me a clip of me not blinking.
Who rolled this up?
No.
Me! Who rolled this fucker up? You know how many times I rolled this up and I've never had it unplugged once? God damn it! I don't got no bolts. Find out what the hell. They're special length too, the fuckers.
Just heat this.
No,
heat that.
That doesn't work like
It's
that.
just gonna be like 800 bucks.
Fuck! Oh, you there? I'm on my way now.
Tell you, somebody was poking around in this fucking car at one point in life. The fuel tank was out of this car. There was duct tape all over the shit.
When I put a cold air intake, it was missing a bunch of fucking wires and like tubes and other shit that was supposed to be on there. It was not on there. Guarantee you're about to hear a snap, crackle, pop in a second.
100%. So here's one of your dilemmas. So now that we've migrated this over here, this has to extend out. This is your plug that controls that valve. You did have to move these lines too. These lines come directly behind. We moved these lines.
Here we go. We got some advice right here.
Oh, take the cowl completely off. Take the windshield wiper motor out. Take the cowl off. You can fit it technically on what cars was his? 2016, 2017.
Yeah, 6th gen Camaro.
This is a 2020. We had issues. We had to bend the cowl back a little bit here and here. We didn't have to cut it, so that's fine. And it's just a bolt-off cowl. We just bent ours a little bit. Can't really tell from that video, but it'll fit right back down in there like this. Now we got all this room back here. That's garbage. Woo! He's gonna come right in and sit in that chair right there. Anybody want to take that? Ah! Who owes me money?
If you get the belt on there, it shouldn't cause a problem.
Yes, it 100% will.
You think so?
100%.
You think it's gonna hop the belt?
100%. It's in the rib. Look at it. Look at it.
Is it in the rib or is it on the outside?
In the outside.
Oh, I see the outside. Yeah, no, you're fucked. Well, why you
Are you here to save the day right now?
Why?
Do you know what this is?
Well, Honda alternator belt.
Somehow, I have to stretch it over this big ass fucking.
And there's no type of tensioner system on it at all?
I take that crank bolt out. I have to buy a new one.
Oh, the one-time use?
Yeah. It's electronic power steering. That's
So what
AC.
is that going to?
AC.
Look at him sideways. Look at him sideways. I said the same
Stick his
thing.
head out the window.
The hose are gonna be sweaty. I don't want sweaty hose.
Typically, you run it on the AC pump and you stretch it onto the crank.
Okay.
As you turn the crank, because you can't turn the fucking AC.
Right. So do you want
my
me to turn the
issue
crank while you're putting the belt on there?
We're gonna have to try that because.
Oh, give me the right side ratchet,
That's not
and
the-
I'll turn it over while you're fucking putting it on the AC.
That's not the issue.
You fucking snap-on hoe. You a snap-on hoe.
They come to the truck and they make it very easy to purchase tools. It's hard to say
You don't know how to
no.
walk away. So you can't take the AC pump off and do it like that?
No.
There's no way you can put the belt on the pulley, the crank pulley, and then fucking take that pump off, put it over there, and then manhandle it and bolt it back into place. I mean, you could, but you don't want to.
There's no way.
You need something flatter than that. That's not gonna
No,
do it.
it's not even the issue. You don't understand the issues of putting a stretch bolt on. You need a stretch bolt tool. I gotta get one on next
You don't
Monday.
have one?
Gotta get the angle here.
Ooh, drag strip? Did somebody say drag strip?
Ooh. Got the stretch belt thing.
The fuck is this?
Look at the fucking
That's what it
text,
is.
motherfucker, read it.
That's what all the pictures online look like.
I don't want somebody seeing me losing a fucking finger.
About what?
You're about to use your finger?
Why'd you say hold on?
What is it? Heard about that? Not going to division, like at any point.
What do you mean?
You're not fucking trying to know.
That ain't my fault, motherfucker.
Losing my marbles.
Greasy cum hands over here, motherfucker.
It doesn't have to do with Americans, just it won't work.
Why not?
If this clutch was engaged and we could spin that.
That's his car.
Whose car?
The guy.
Did he have the AC on there? I'm curious. He did, right?
Of course.
I know he did.
How
We
much?
could literally be here till midnight and not get this.
No, I know that.
It'll go. It's going.
The bar's not moving until somebody figures it out. Get the goddamn thing on there, we'd be good.
You motherfucker.
Fucking somebody go buy a ratcheting one. They're $30.
Do you really
I'd like
need a
to finish
ratcheting
this car.
one?
Yeah.
I really need a
No,
ratchet.
we really need a ratchet.
We're about to come back. They're either gonna have it on or the belt's gonna be blowing the fuck up.
But then I bought this one too, just in case. But they're both for me
They're
at the
both
end
the
of the
same
day.
fucking size.
Because it's extended.
No, but either way, they both would have been the same size and they both ratcheted. How long is that? 18 inches too?
I don't know, I think I got a good 27.
No. Not that. Oh, so I need to turn the ratchet the other way, right?
Gotta go the other way. Yeah.
Ah, you fucking. Oh, fuck. I didn't even beat my dick this hard. It's sliding.
It's sliding.
Yeah, it's sliding. Bad.
I want this thing to run. I don't care if you got AZ. Figure that out at some point.
I don't give a fuck if you switch your balls off, motherfucker.
Driving me nuts. Take the whole entire AC fucking
I keep
system
forgetting this shit.
apart,
Yeah, I get what you're saying. Yeah, that's gonna be a bitch.
and then I have to swivel it in, and
Yeah,
then somehow we gotta pry it back out and throw a bolt in and fucking.
Yeah, I know.
3 hours later.
Give me a update. It is now. I left at 7:30. It's now 10:33. AC is on there, and there's some more problems with the supercharger.
Strip bolts. Somebody fucking spooked them, baby. The helicoil is in there, and the helicoil was fucked up in this one. We had to redo it.
Yep.
But you got AC.
Yes. Biggest thing ever.
Biggest thing in the AC. If you ever decide to do one of these, there's no way in hell an AC tool is gonna get the belt. Get in here, baby. So biggest thing doing the AC belt is you're not gonna be able to use a tool to get over the big pulley for the supercharger. So you have to unbolt the AC, unbolt the stud out of the AC compressor, finesse the compressor in, and then it's a two-person job. You got to get a bar in there and right in here. You get a bar in here and you just kind of work it back. Put the stud in, get the stud down tight, put the bolt on, and then put the back bolt in the other one.
And then you're a 1,000 horsepower car with
With
AC.
AC!
And then you put some new bolts in this part too, right?
Yeah, I got a couple of them, a couple new ones.
Yes. New bolts in there.
Still 2 holes though that are just smoked.
Yes. Smoked man. Thanks, Chris. Cool guy. Oh, dick.